Of course, at the very heart of all this deadlock drama is the president's signature health care law, Obamacare as it's called. Uninsured people could begin signing up for coverage yesterday at healthcare.gov, but a lot of folks had a lot of trouble logging on to the site. President Obama says it's because demand was so high on day one. Republicans say it shows Obamacare just was not ready for prime time. Jim Engel with the news. He's live for us in Washington. Hi, Jim.
Hello, Trace. Well, Democrats said today that 4.7 million people visited government websites in the first 24 hours and made 190,000 phone calls. Republicans replied by pointing to many reports of people trying for hours to get online or waiting on the phone, what they called Obamacare's waiting room of the future. Listen.
I think it went relatively poorly, really, for the administration. I mean, it's only the first day, so they're going to have many, many days ahead to kind of work out the kinks. But by every measure, I mean, every story that I've seen has indicated that most of the websites for enrollment around the country were not really operative.
Now, one person tells Fox he's been trying for 2 days to find out how much subsidy his family would get. Not only that, we're now learning what the range of deductibles will be. In addition to the widespread reports of large increases in premiums, especially for the young, even those buying the least expensive plan, the Bronze plan under Obamacare, will have a deductible of $4,000 to $5,000. Now, that means with a premium of only $100 a month, something the administration likes to tout, a consumer would, in fact, wind up paying $6,000 or more before any insurance coverage even kicks in. Now, even with all that, Trace, the law won't come close to insuring all the uninsured. Listen.
This law is going to insure perhaps around 7 million people through the exchanges, and we've got a population of 320 million people. So it's a relatively small portion of the overall pie.
The latest estimates from the Congressional Budget Office are that about 30 million people will remain uninsured even under full operation of the health care law, even after it's been up and running for several years.
Obamacare is forcing changes, as you know, Trace, throughout the entire health care system as individuals and employers try to figure out how to maneuver through the new law. Trace?